y'all, so I'm back. Took the hair off, spit my gum out. I'm gonna do a get unready with me, I guess. Take my makeup off. I never done one of these before. So yeah, I'm in the bathroom. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I am in the bathroom. First what I'd like to do is take my lip. The freaking contact just came out. See, my eyes are really dry. Oh my god. No. Alright, let me go get my contact lenses. I knew I should have took them out. That's the universe telling me, bitch, stop playing. I'll be right back. Look, both of them. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. So fuck. Anyway, contact lens holder. Because y'all know I love ladybugs. Contact lens solution. Now it's time to wipe my face off. Now I'm going to scrub my face with the Gillette. I think that's how I pronounce it. Well, it's Queen Helen or Helene Mint Gillette Scrub. There's lime and mint in it. I like this. This is my second bottle. It's really good for this stuff. And I like that much. And I usually wet my face with warm water to open up my pores. Now, I'm just gonna scrub my face the way I usually do. To use this Bye Bye Blackhead. I don't really have blackhead. This foams up. You gotta wait like 3 minutes. It's a 30 Days Miracle Green Tea Tox. It's a bubble cleanser. This is my second bottle of this. I really like this. Room temperature to cool water. It's a tingly sensation. I like how it feels. I'm not doing my eyes with this one because no. I forgot I'm actually supposed to like do this and scrub some more. Now I'm gonna rinse off the warm to cool water. One more cleanser. This is a skin clearing foaming cleanser. It's from the Body Shop and it's tea tree. Tea tree is good for getting rid of toxins in your skin. It's good for keloids, which I used when I got this pierced. There was a small keloid. I used sea salt mixed with the tea tree oil, and now it's flat. Some of my videos you probably can see it, but it's gone now. So yeah, this is really potent. It gets your eyes, so don't put it too close to your eye. I'm kind of used to it, so I try to go slow around this area because it's gonna burn. Alright. Now I'm gonna dab my face dry. actually gonna take this and go directly under because I didn't really want to do that other stuff, that minty stuff on my eyes because it was gonna burn. So this is what I usually do. And I shouldn't be doing this because it makes my eyes raw to the point where they hurt a little bit. But after I put on my shea butter at the end of the night, after like a couple hours, it doesn't feel that bad anymore. I know it's probably like the ghettoest thing, but that eyeliner is really sticky. Plus, well, not sticky, it's the glue that's sticky, which is why it's like this, but it's the eyeliner and the glue combination. Now that my face is clean and dry, because you have to put this on clean, dry skin. And it says an even layer. So we're gonna do the burst. I usually just take that. Oh, come on. It's tingling already. I'm sure that's because I scrubbed my face. Or it could just be this product. I'm not quite sure. Okay guys, so Versed is a skin product that I discovered on TikTok. Don't judge me. TikTok made me try it. It's supposed to be used for glass skin. You're supposed to use it once a week, preferably before bed at night. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Look at my eyebrows. Oh my god, my lips are dry. Oh, you know what? I got this from Family Dollar. But yeah, I've been wanting to try this lip scrub. So yeah, it is brown sugar and vanilla. I've been using it already. It smells good. It's got kind of like an oily, it's kind of like oil in there too. I realized because when I scrub it, when I go to rinse it off, it's like you can feel the oil. So I just like to put it on like this. And it tastes sweet too, but I try not to swallow it. And this one I usually do in the shower as well. So yeah, I usually just try to get in there. I'm just gonna rinse it off in cool water. Like everything. Okay. So now I'm just gonna dab my face dry again. I mean, usually with me, I wipe my face dry, but being as though I'm really trying to take care of better care of my skin, you're supposed to dab your face dry, especially after you've done everything that I just did, like all the scrubbing. Dabbing my face dry, not with a towel, with a damp rag. I'm gonna let my face dry. Time to go in with the shea butter. I'm trying to think, do I want to use any other moisturizer under this? No. I usually let my face dry for a few minutes, maybe like an hour, but I don't want to wait. It's actually dry. I don't know why I keep doing it. As you guys saw, I pressed it into my face first so as to push it into my pores, and then I proceeded to rub it all over the rest of my face. That way it will be as moisturized as it possibly can be, and then I gave myself a nice facial massage. You're disrespectful. So are you. I'm basically done. Usually I put a little more moisturizer on, but I know when I go to sleep my face is going to be oily when I wake up in the morning. So I'm just not, unless I feel like it's dry later, then I might put some more later. Like I usually put more around the nose area because my nose gets really dry and my brows. But this is it. I'm done. I've never done one of these before. It was fun. Thank you for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. My nephew said hi. See y'all later.